Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to color anime skin with markers. First, select a light, natural skin tone marker as your base. Apply this color smoothly and evenly across the entire skin area of your character. Make sure to cover all parts thoroughly, leaving no white spaces. This initial layer is crucial for a consistent and vibrant foundation, setting the stage for all subsequent shading and blending. It's the first step to bringing your character to life. Now, let's add some depth. Choose a marker that is 1 or 2 shades darker than your base color. Carefully apply this darker shade to areas that would naturally be in shadow, such as beneath the hair, under the chin, and along the edges of clothing. Remember to blend these shadows softly into your base layer to avoid harsh lines, creating a smooth transition and a more three-dimensional look. Next, we'll introduce midtones and highlights. Use a color between your base and shadow shades to further smooth transitions. For highlights, identify areas where light would directly hit, like the tops of cheeks or the bridge of the nose. Apply small, bright highlights there. For extra pop, a white gel pen can create crisp, tiny reflections, adding a dynamic and lively feel to the skin. Finally, it's time for blending and finishing touches. Grab your colorless blender marker to gently soften any harsh lines or edges, ensuring a seamless look. Take a moment to review your work for any uneven areas and apply very light layers to correct them. For a touch of warmth, use a very light pink or peach marker to add subtle blush to the cheeks or lips, completing your anime skin coloring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.